Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and the number one question that I've been getting in the comments is, does the Honor 7X cases fit on the Huawei Mate SE? So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow! Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I actually picked up this case from Amazon for about $8.50, and it does say that it's an Honor 7X case, and they just added the Huawei Mate SE on there before I actually, after I ordered it. So here's the case itself, guys. It comes in a cool packaging, and as you can see, it does say Honor 7X on the packaging. So let's just pop this baby out. Don't want to make this a super long video, so let's just pop it out and put it onto the phone. Oh crap. Alright, so everything looks absolutely perfect, guys. I actually checked this out before. Everything is on point, from the lip action on the camera to all the port openings on the bottom. Everything looks great. I could definitely recommend this case, and you have the grips on the side as well, and you do have a lot of lip action, which is perfect for what I need a case for, especially on this phone, because this phone is super slippery. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this case or buy this phone, I will actually have a link down to both in the description box. So just follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate SE and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace. Later.